How to use the switch. This model has a total of 8 buttons. Power button, mode button, gear up, gear down, headlight button, left turn signal, right turn signal, and horn. Below are the usage instructions for each button. Double-click the lightning symbol on the remote control to turn it on. Long press the power button to turn the scooter off. Short press the gear up or gear down button to switch gears. Short press the mode button M to switch main display information. Long press M to switch between single and dual drive modes. Short press the headlight button to turn the front light and side ambient lights on or off. Short press the left turn signal to activate left indicator. Short press the right turn signal to activate right indicator. The horn button will sound an alarm. We provide a fully labeled diagram to help you understand each part of the display screen. Double-click M to enter the password input screen. After entering the password, default 2112, press the power button to enter the settings interface. In the settings interface, short press gear up or gear down to browse options. Short press M to confirm the selection, then use gear up or gear down to adjust. Short press the M button to confirm and double-click M to return to the main interface. Thank you for your support of Tevarin.